Everybody already knows how to make French toast, right? Like I learned how to make it in 7th grade home ec class, which I don't even think exists anymore, but whatever. I'm gonna show you how to make mascarpone stuffed French toast, which is basically just better French toast. So it starts out just like regular French toast with a simple custard base, eggs, milk, cinnamon, the basics. Then I take 2 pieces of thick sliced brioche and I spread a nice layer of mascarpone cheese, it's like Italian cream cheese, that I whip with maple syrup and vanilla. Sandwich the 2 pieces of bread together and then dip them into the custard and griddle them in plenty of melted salted butter. And the salted butter is really important. The salt gives so much good flavor. Now make sure you keep your heat low so that these don't burn and give them some time to cook all the way through because these boys are thick, you know what I mean? We're looking for golden brown on both sides, and I like to slice them in half so you can see all of that gorgeous filling oozing out. Top them with berries or whatever fresh fruit you want, of course more maple syrup, and my god, it's so good. I hope you make it for your next brunch.